Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super simple glowy spring look. I say spring because we're in spring right now, and I think this shade, like that peachy corally shade of blush, really just gives spring vibes right now. That's what I'm doing. It's super easy, so you can follow along. Let's get into it. Starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream to prep the skin. I love this cream because it's like really thick and moisturizing, and I don't know, it just does such a great job at prepping the skin for makeup and makes your skin just look so good. Just to even put it on the hands too. My hands are so dry from washing bottles. Prep the under eyes. I'm gonna use the Tula Rose Glow and Get It. Kosas just dropped a new SPF and I just got it in the mail today. Let's give it a try. Yeah, so far I like this. It literally reminds me of the glow screen, the Super Goop glow screen. So it's called the Kosas Stream Beam Comfy Smooth Sunscreen SPF 40. I'm here for it. Speaking of Kosas, we're gonna go in with the Kosas Plump and Juicy Collagen Spray-On Serum. Skin prep is key, you guys. That's the key to the dewy, effortless look skin. You gotta have the right products under your makeup. Am I forgetting anything? No. All right, moving on to brows. Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. Next is the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint, and I am the shade 4 right now. This is one of my favorite skin tints. It looks so good on the skin. I really like this Makeup by Mario like dual foundation brush. And then I use my sponge to just smooth that all out. That's pretty much the skin routine. Oh wait, I forgot concealer. What am I talking about? Today's concealer of choice is the Kosas Revealer Concealer. This is the shade 3.5. And these are the places that I apply my concealer. And then this is the Hourglass concealer brush. I get a lot of questions on TikTok about my concealer brushes. This is one of my favorites. I have two others. One is the Rose Ink concealer brush, is also really good. And the other is, where is it? Here it is. It's this Sephora Pro Concealer number 57 brush. This one's really good too. Actually, I'm gonna use that one instead right now because it's a little bit smaller. And once I blend that in with the brush, I'm gonna go in with my sponge. For powder, we're gonna use the Givenchy Prisme Libre, I don't know, shade 3 Rose. This is one of my favorite powders right now. I did a partnership with them last year and I have been obsessed ever since. I'm just gonna let that sit there for a minute and marinate. And then I just take it off with a fluffier brush. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the NARS Bronzing Cream. This is the shade Laguna 02. I'm gonna apply that with my Sigma Multitasker brush. It's one of my favorite brushes for bronzer. I like to tap it on my hand first because that way you don't have too much product on your face at a time. That's so nice. Lip balm break because my lips felt dry. This is obviously the Laneige lip mask. It's so controversial. Everybody's always like, it's not worth the money, but it kind of is. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Peach Pop, and this is their matte beauty blush wand. You see what I'm talking about? And I'm right there. My favorite blush brush is the Sephora Pro Blush number 93. Take some of that off. I'm gonna bring it onto the eyelid a little. If you ever find yourself with this situation where you think you have too much blush, just take your foundation brush and blend it together like that, and it also takes care of that harsh line. So now I'm taking the Chanel Multitasker stick, and this is the shade Draggy. I just take my finger and just tap it where I want it. The Chanel multitask sticks are multi-use. Oh my God, that's the multi-use. The Chanel multi-use sticks are top tier, you guys. This is a little bit of an extra step. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm gonna take the Dior blush in Coral, and I'm just gonna go over my blush with that. It just lasts longer. Don't worry, we're going to blend that out more with our foundation brush. That's pretty. The eyes are done. I'm not doing anything else on the eyes. I'm gonna take my Shiseido lash curler. Last week I pinched my eyelid so badly. It was honestly traumatizing. My latest fixation. So it's the YSL Lash Clash in brown, like brown. But you guys, I don't know, it just does something for me. My brown eyes just pop. And I think during the day, sometimes black mascara can just be a little intense for me. Remember, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. You see what I'm talking about, you guys? A little on the bottom lashes. Some people don't like mascara on their bottom lashes, but why? I would like to know why. Genuine question. I'm not even critiquing or judging. I just want to know why. I hope I don't ruin my makeup, but I just got this in the mail and I want to try it out. It's the Chanel Illuminating Blush Powder. Just like throw it on there. Why not? It's actually pretty nice. We're almost done, you guys. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz just a little bit. On the lips, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. Okay, this is the fun part. So this is the YSL Rouge Shine lipstick, and it's this pretty pink color. But I just go like this. It smells so good. It smells like candy. I just want the essence of it, but I don't really want the full like look. Kind of like to blend it in with the lip liner so they can become one. That is so pretty, you guys. I love that lip combo. All right, let's do one more little spritz. And I like to take my sponge and just blend everything again. I just want to add a little more of the highlight up here and here. All right, you guys, here's the final look. I think that monochromatic look, like the blush on the eyes, is a sure way to look like you tried harder than you did. And I just love how it looks, like when it just looks so uniform, right? Anyway, let me know what else you want to see on my channel because I need some ideas. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.